about jobs.
Talking about jobs.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
I work at ABC Limited.
I work at ABC Limited.
I am a manager.
I am a manager.
I am unemployed.
I am unemployed.
I am between jobs at the moment.
I am between jobs at the moment.
I am looking for work.
I am looking for work.
I am a stay-at-home dad.
I am a stay-at-home dad.
I run my own business.
I run my own business.
I am a freelance designer.
I am a freelance designer.
I am retired.
I am retired.
What do you work in?
What do you work in?
How do you spend most of your time?
How do you spend most of your time?
I am a full-time student.
I am a full-time student.
I am a stay-at-home mom.
I am a stay-at-home mom.
I work as an engineer.
I work as an engineer.
I am a retired nurse.
I am a retired nurse.
I am a college student and work part-time as a bartender.
I am a college student and work part-time as a bartender.
I work in a chemical factory.
I work in a chemical factory.
I work in sales for a large mobile company.
I work in sales for a large mobile company.